What's happening, everybody? Welcome back. Today I got something special in mind for you guys. It's a little reality check about how we constantly lie to ourselves about the most precious thing we have in this life. Time, of course. Before we delve into it, though, if you are not a part of the We've Told Me Army yet, as we grow in our infancy, make sure you hit that subscribe button down bottom, as well as smashing that notification bell so you can come be a part of the squad daily as we explore daily ways to motivate yourself, lifestyle, careers, school, and so much more. But now, without any further ado, let's get into it. We've all heard it before, right? Whether saying it to yourself, to someone else, or somebody saying it to you. I just don't have the time, right? And they want to read that book. You want to go to the gym. You want to get to your friend's daughter's recital that they ask you if you can make it to. You really want to get up earlier. You want to go back to the state you don't live in anymore to go see your family. You want to apply for that new job. You want to get like a second part-time job. You want to make dinner at night so you can just like stop spending all that money and all of that time that you're spending out. You really want to clean your house up. You seriously, like you really do. You really want to call your friends back. You want to do all these things. It's just one problem. There's just not enough time, right? We come up with so many excuses in life as to why we can't accomplish things or get things done. But none more ridiculous than the excuse that I just don't have the time. But honestly, if you really thought about it and planned it out and even possibly wrote it down, what your plans are, you would see that you actually have more than you thought. You have an abundance of time. But wait, let me guess. You probably don't have time for that either, right? I just want you to know that there was somebody today who didn't wake up, that no longer has any time to use up. Yeah, we wake up like every single day and tell ourselves, man, I wish I had more time to do this or to do that. Well, so did the person who got sick, who wishes they could have seen their grandchildren grow up. But here's the reality. There are solutions to your time problem. And they're simple enough for you to implement as a strategy to get your priorities in order. And I can tell you this right now, but I'm just curious. I can tell you what they are. One thing I just need to know. Do you have enough time to hear them? All right, so here's what you need to do if you're the chronic time person who doesn't have the time to plan things out, but has the time to complain about the time they don't have. Anyway, the first is a tip I read in this great book that I definitely recommend that you guys check it out. It's called First Things First. It's written by Stephen Covey. He's a great author. He writes a lot of self-help books, so I would definitely check it out if you have the time. And that is learning the difference between scheduling your priorities versus prioritizing your schedule. Now, a lot of us schedule our priorities, right? We're like, I got to get this done. Check. I got to do all these things, and we check it off as we go. But a lot of us don't understand that prioritizing our schedule, making the things that are the most important, right? You must become addicted to writing out exactly what you need to do by list of importance. So if the goal is to lose a pound this week or to hit the gym 3 times this week, don't put it at the bottom of the list. Right, for your scheduled workout or your gym night when you go off. So use this as a wonderful tool to put you in a better position to hit the gym in the time you want to hit it, whether it's during the day or at night, but put it at that top priority things for you to do. Add it to the top 3 things that you must do today because it's that important to you that you will definitely make the time for it. But you have to make first things first. You have to start prioritizing your schedule and make sure that the things that are most important are always at the top of your mind and always at the top of your to-do list. The second suggestion I would have for you is, and this is going to be an important one, learn how to delegate your responsibilities to other people. Here's a fact for you. You don't have to do everything that's on a checklist. Okay, that's just reality. And in fact, most of us don't anyway. But if your husband or your wife can pick the kids up 3 times a week and give them dinner and do homework, then why do you always have to do it? I thought you wanted to lose that weight, right? I thought you wanted to get to the gym. I thought you wanted to make this time. If it's a work project and someone can take over for you while you finish, like sending like some important emails, then let them handle the tasks right now until you get back. Your time is just as valuable as everyone else's is. So learn how to delegate those responsibilities to other people as much as possible so you can be more productive with the things that are supremely priorities to you. The things that are supreme priorities to you have to get done, right? So in order for it to be accomplished, make sure you assign other people tasks to help you out along the way. The last thing that I would tell you is you have to set deadlines for what you need to do. Make sure that you stick with that deadline to hold yourself accountable for it. And honestly, separately, here's a tip for you too. If you've ever done research, you'll find that some of the most successful people in life, they get up crazy early in the morning and they take care of their priorities. Now, I'm not telling you guys you have to get up at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, but what could you do with an extra 1 to 2 hours a day to get things done? Cleaning, workout, make your lunch, get things ready and organized, send out emails. It basically all breaks down to whether or not it's important enough for you to get 10 hours of sleep today or 8 hours of sleep. Because it would be crazy if you didn't sleep for 10 hours, right? Like you would be so much more tired, even though after 10 hours, you wake up so tired. Look, here's the deal. You're going to be tired either way, but you have to put in the grind. If those things are that important to you, you have to make the time for it, okay? And you'll do anything and make any sacrifice necessary in order for you to do it. We all get 24 hours in a day, which breaks down to 86,400 seconds a day. Remember this, only you get to decide how many of those seconds truly matter to you today. Meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification on your way out. I will see you guys tomorrow, and as always, before I roll out,